Alright everyone, just a little update on where I've been all this time. I know it's been a while. For a couple of reasons. First one is, as you can see in this picture here, I've got this beautiful new spicy Kawasaki Green Ninja 1000. It's the Sport Touring Ninja, so you know it's a little more comfortable, and obviously I got some little side cases on there. I know probably some people won't be a fan of that, but I do a lot of long distance stuff, so I need them. The other reason being, oh, it's a 2012, by the way, 2012 Kawasaki Ninja 1000. The second reason is because I went to go get some new video editing software, and it didn't download correctly the first time, and, you know, I messed around with it for a couple days. I couldn't get it to work. Gave up on it for probably a month, and I just tried again now, and everything worked correctly, so who knows. But that's where I've been, and I'll go ahead and throw in a couple clips of the new bike riding around. Haven't been able to ride it too much because, you know, it's winter, and, you know, the weather kind of sucks. But also, I got the Sena Momentum INC helmet. If you guys want me to do a little review on that, I can. But my GoPro mount on that, I haven't fully gotten it adjusted yet. Like I said, I've only ridden a couple times with the new bike, so you guys can't see my speedometer or anything. I need to point it down a little bit. But with that being said, here you guys go. Alright, well, that's just about it. Like I said, I haven't been able to ride too much, so this is really the only footage I have. This is just me dropping my truck off at the dealership to get some work done. I put my bike in the back of it so I could ride home. That's about all. In the first picture at the beginning of the video, you can actually see that bike behind the green one. That's my old bike. I actually ended up selling that, so I no longer have the old Cruiser. I kind of miss it, though. It was a great bike, but what can you do? Got about a bit of my money back on it, so hopefully a lot more rides will come up this year, and hope all you ride safe and you guys keep enjoying the videos. Thanks for watching.